Very good afternoon, dear students of Standard 4th. Here I have came with EVS 1 notes of lesson number 8. Okay, you have to write down the notes of lesson number 8 from EVS 1 book. Okay. Now the value of food. The chapter name is value of food, and these are the notes you have to write it down. Can you see? Fill in the blanks. When the soil becomes hot and dash, the crop is sown. Answer is humid. The grains is separate from the ears by the process called threshing. Okay. The light dash are blown away by the wind. Shells. Some people gathered dash like karwandas and jamun from the forest. Answer is fruits. Machines and vehicles are used for the productions and transport of foodstuff. Money is spent on dash to operate them. Transport. Got it? These are the questions. These are the fill in the blanks which you have to write down. Now here down we have true or false. See. State whether the following statements are true or false. If a machine is not available, bullocks are used for threshing. Answer is true. The process of threshing is done after the process of winnowing. Second one is false. Third one, singadas are obtained from the sea water. Answer is false. Fourth one should never waste food. Answer is true. Fifth one, trucks and goods train are used to transport grain all over the country. Answer is true. Okay. This you have to write it down. Now here we come with a match the following. See, match the following. Part A and part B. First one, salt. Answer will be the sea. Second one, sugarcane. The answer will be field. Makhna. The answer will be the freshwater plant. Boar, forest. Egg, poultry farm. Okay, these are the answers. Now here are some answer in one sentence which I will tell you the answer and you have to note it down. Answer is given here, but still I will dictate it for you. Okay. Now first question, what is the solution? Your friend want to know where big round amlas come from. So you will write a simple sentence that you will tell your friend that it's come from forest. Means it is found from forest. Now because of whom do we get fish? अब फिश मार्केट में फिश आती है ना, तो किसके वजह से आती है? बिकॉज फिशरमैन क्या करते हैं? उन लोग सीज में जाके फिशिंग करते हैं, राइट? सो द फिशेज आर ब्रॉट बाय अ फिशरमैन. Fishermen bring fish from the sea. Which special food item are obtained from freshwater plant? that is singadas and makhnas. You will find it in your textbook if you read the textbook well. Fourth one, what is used to frighten the birds away? अब फार्म्स में जाओगे, खेती में, फील्ड में जाओगे तो वहाँ पे आप देखोगे कि ऐसा पुतला खड़ा रहता है, तो दैट इज़ व्हाट, दैट इज़ अ स्केयर क्रो. इंग्लिश में उसे क्या कहते हैं? स्केयर क्रो. तो वो क्यों रखा जाता है फील्ड में? ताकि बर्ड्स को डरा सके, बर्ड्स आके फील्ड को खराब न करे. सो द आंसर विल बी द स्केयर क्रो आर सेट अप to frighten the birds. Fifth one, what is the unnecessary plants called that grow with grain? Chaff is grown with the grain, which is called unnecessary plants. Now what is harvesting? Harvesting is a process of gathering ripe crops from the field. Next one, what is the process of harvesting? When is the process of harvesting done? The process of harvesting is done when the ears of, this is ears, EARS, ears of corn and or crops are fully grown up. जब कॉर्न्स फुल्ली प्रिपेयर्ड हो जाता है तब उसे हार्वेस्ट किया जाता है. What is winnowing? The process of separating heavier and lighter component of a mixture by wind or by blowing air is called winnowing. What is threshing? A hard level surface on which corn or other grain is threshed. And the last one is, which tasks are carried out from preparing field till storing the grains in warehouse? कौन सा टास्क यूज़ होता है पूरा स्टोरिंग फील्ड प्रिपेयर करने से लेके स्टोर रूम में, warehouse में स्टोर करने तक? So the answer is sowing, harvesting, threshing, winnowing are carried out. Okay, hope so you all got the answer. Is that clear? Now see, here are some questions that you have to find out from the textbook. Okay, you have to read the textbook properly and then you have to find the answer from the textbook. Which fruits are obtained from forest? Why should we not waste food? Name the edible things obtained from fresh water. Name some farming tasks. आपको ये सारे आंसर्स जो है टेक्स्ट बुक से मिल जाएगा. ओनली द थिंग इज यू हैव टू रीड द टेक्स्ट बुक एज यू कैन. ट्वाइस, थ्राइस, हाउ मेनी टाइम्स you can read it, you have to read it. Okay, and without reading textbook you can't be able to answer any questions. So the main thing is you have to read the textbook properly और बहुत अच्छी तरीके से वो टेक्स्ट बुक आपको पढ़ना है. एक बार नहीं, दो बार नहीं, 3 बार, 4 बार, जितने बार आपसे होता है. ओके, सो राइट डाउन ऑल द नोट्स जो भी आपको मैं दे रही हूँ, यूट्यूब के थ्रू से दे रही हूँ. यू हैव टू राइट डाउन ऑल द नोट्स इन योर बुक. You write it in notebook or you can make a rough notebook, wherever you can, you write it down. Okay, but after reopening the school I will ask for the same notes and you have to show it down in a classroom. Right students? So till then, thank you.